Now in question number 4 in figure, if line PQ and RS intersect at point T, angle PRT equals to 45, RPT 95, TSQ 75, we have to find angle SQT. Here angle RPT is 95, PRT is 45, angle TSQ is 75, and we have to find the angle SQT. This angle we have to find. Now this is angle 1. Now in triangle PRT by angle sum property, we have angle PRT plus angle RPT plus angle 1 equals to 180 degree. Angle PRT equals to 40 degree plus RPT is 95 degree plus angle 1 equals to 180 degree. Now angle 1 equals to 180 degree minus 135 degree, which is equals to 45 degree. Now angle 1, this is angle 2. Now angle 1 equals to angle 2 by vertically opposite angle. Angle 1 is 45 degree, which is equals to angle 2. Again in triangle TSQ by angle sum property, we have angle 2 plus angle TSQ plus angle SQT equals to 180 degree. Angle 2 is 45 degree plus TSQ is 75 degree plus angle SQT equals to 180 degree. Which is equals to 120 degree plus SQT equals to 180 degree, and angle SQT equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree, which is equals to 60 degree. Now in question number 5, in figure PQ is perpendicular on PS and side PQ is parallel to SR, angle SQR equals to 28, angle QRT equals to 65. Then find the values of X and Y. Here PQ is perpendicular on PS, PQ is parallel to RS, and angle SQR is 28, QRT is 65. Now because PQ is parallel to SR, therefore X plus 28 equals to 65 degree. Because by alternate interior angle, therefore X equals to 65 minus 28 degree, which is equals to 37 degree. Now in triangle QPS, PQ is perpendicular on PS, therefore angle P equals to 90 degree. Therefore by angle sum property, angle P plus X plus Y equals to 180 degree. Angle P is 90, angle X is 37 plus Y equals to 180, Y equals to 180 minus 90 degree minus 37 degree, which is equals to 53 degree. Now in question number 6 in figure, the side QR of a triangle PQR is produced to point S if the bisector of angle PQR, that is QT, and angle PRT, that is RT, meet at point T. Then prove that angle QTR equals to half of angle QPR. Now, because QT is bisector of angle PQR, therefore angle TQR equals to half of angle PQR. TQR is half of PQR, therefore 2 into cross multiply TQR equals to angle PQR. This is equation first. Now also RT is bisector of PRS. RT is bisector of angle PRS, therefore angle TRS equals to half of angle PRS, therefore 2 times of angle TRS equals to angle PRS. This is equation second. Also in triangle PQR, angle PQR plus QPR equals to PRS by exterior angle theorem. Angle PRS equals to angle PQR plus angle QPR. Now PRS equals to angle 2 times of TRS equals to PQR equals to 2 times of TQR plus angle QPR. Now this is from equation first and second. Now QPR equals to 2 times of TRS minus 2 times of TQR. Now 2 is common, which is equals to TRS minus TQR. This is equation third. Now in triangle QTR, again by exterior angle theorem, we have angle TRS equals to TQR plus angle QTR. Therefore angle TRS minus TQR equals to QTR. This is equation fourth. From equation third and fourth, angle equals to 2, QPR equals to 2 times of QTR, therefore half of angle QPR equals to angle QTR, hence proved.